Hey my beautiful roses! Welcome back to my channel. If you could glow up every day with just water, ice, a spoon, a pillow, and maybe honey, would you give it a try? Because glowing up is not always about buying things. It's about smart beauty hacks that'll make you look pretty, clean, and confident instantly. So if you're like, I want to glow up, but I don't know how and I don't have money, this video is for you. Because I'm giving you 30+ beauty hacks that's simple, safe, and super effective, using home remedies, face workouts, and basic household stuff. So save this video, because you'll want to replay it before school, before an outing, or before you take pictures. Now grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook and let's get started. Part 1. Face Glow Up. Now roses, let's start with the part where we glow up our face and make your skin happy. Number 1. The face steaming. Roses, if you want to really deep clean your face and get your skin glowing like you just had a facial, then steam your face. It opens up your pores, boosts circulation, and preps your skin to drink up anything you put on it next. Boil water. Pour it into a large bowl. Add a bit of rose water, tea tree oil, or green tea bag if you like. Drape a towel over your head and lean over the bowl, not too close. Steam for 5 to 8 minutes. Do this 3 times a week before your skincare for maximum results. Number 2. The lip buff. If your lips are chapped and flaky, this is the simplest trick you need for a perfect smooth lip every single morning. After you wash your face, take a damp washcloth and gently rub your lips with it. This exfoliates all the dead skin instantly and painlessly. Then immediately apply Vaseline or coconut oil to keep your lips moisturized. Your lips will go from flaky to smooth in minutes. Number 3. Ice water facial. This is the ultimate instant glow hack for a puffy, tired skin. It tightens your pores and reduces redness. Fill a big bowl with ice cold water. Take a deep breath, hold it, and fully submerge your face for 10 seconds. Do this 3 times. Your skin will be tingling, tightened, and have a rosy awake glow. Do this every morning. It's a game changer. Number 4. The milky skin glow. Roses, listen up, yogurt and milk contain lactic acid. It's a super gentle AHA that helps dissolve dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, fresher skin underneath. So for a quick toner, soak a cotton pad in cold milk or yogurt and gently swipe it all over your clean face. Let it sit for 5 minutes before you rinse and continue with your skincare after. It's a mild exfoliation you can do every day for a brighter, milky skin. But if you want to use it for a face mask instead, mix 2 tablespoons of yogurt with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply it all over your face, then leave it on for 15 minutes before washing off. This combo is perfect for removing acne, moisturizing, and brightening your face at the same time. It's the easiest way to get a glowing skin fast. Number 5. Cold tea bags. Now, after you've enjoyed your green tea, don't throw the bag away. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and puffiness. Put those used tea bags in a small bowl in the fridge for 10 minutes. Then, lie down, relax, and place them over your closed eyes for another 10 minutes. It's a mini spa moment that depuffs and soothes tired eyes instantly. Number 6. Simple face scrub. Now, if your skin is red, irritated, or super sensitive, make oatmeal scrub your go-to. It has anti-inflammatory properties that calm the skin like a hug. Mix oats, yogurt, and coconut oil in a bowl and gently scrub your face with it before washing it. Number 7. Cucumbers for hydration. Cucumbers are about 95% water, so they are incredible for hydrating and cooling down your skin. Whenever your skin feels itchy and irritated, slice a chilled cucumber. Lie down and place each one all over your face and wait for 10 minutes. The cooling sensation reduces puffiness and calms any redness. Number 8. Potato for dark spots. Now roses, this one might surprise you. Potatoes have an enzyme that can lighten your skin. If you've got dark circles or acne marks, this is perfect for you. Cut a thin slice of raw potato and gently rub it on the affected area. Or better still, grate the potato to extract the juice and apply the juice with a cotton pad on the dark areas for 5 to 10 minutes daily, then rinse. You can even use this to brighten your underarm. Just apply the juice in that area every day, and that's it. You'll see a gradual brightening after a week. Part 2. Body Glow Up. Now that we're done with our face, let's focus on our body glow up. Number 9. Coffee Body Scrub. Roses, coffee grounds are slightly coarse, which means they're perfect for gently scrubbing away dead skin cells. It can brighten and firm your skin, as well as boost circulation. So let's make it. Pour 1 cup of sugar into a container and add coffee to it. A bit of body wash and honey, then mix it all. But if you don't have body wash, you can grate your bath soap into it instead. Now gently massage this in circular motions on your body. Focus on areas like your thighs and elbows, then rinse. Your skin will feel soft like silk and glowy. Number 10. Dry brushing. Roses. This is a game changer for a bright, glowing skin. Before you shower, take a dry body brush or even a clean, dry towel and gently brush your skin. Start from your feet, move up your legs, from your hands to your shoulders. It exfoliates dead skin, boosts circulation, and can even help with lymphatic drainage. You'll literally feel tingly and alive, and your skin will look smoother and brighter every day. Number 11. The post-shower glow. Roses, right after you turn off the shower. While your skin is still a bit wet, apply your regular body lotion first, then follow up with any light oil, like coconut or almond oil. Because when you do this, you're locking in moisture on your damp skin. And this gives you that incredible all-over shine that keeps you hydrated all day. Number 12. The nail care. Pretty clean nails are a silent glow-up hack. First, grab a soft dry brush and gently brush your nails before you go to bed. This helps boost blood flow and encourage growth. Wash your nails neatly with a brush and soap to gently scrub away dirt from the surface of your nails. You can even trim and file your nails too. It makes your hands look elegant and neat, even if they're just bare. Number 13. The foot soak. Roses, please don't neglect your feet. After a long day, this is the ultimate act of self-care. Fill a small tub with warm water, add a handful of salt or sea salt, and soak your feet in for 15 minutes. It will help soften your skin and keep your feet looking neat and smelling fresh all day. Part 3. Hair glow up. We're done with our body, but let's not forget our hair. Because your hair is what makes your face look 10 times prettier even without makeup. Number 14. Cold water shine. Every time after you wash your hair, be brave and do a cold water dunk for 30 seconds. I know it's shocking, but cold water helps seal the cuticles, reduce frizz, add shine, and enhance hair health for that long, shiny hair you're dreaming of. Number 15. The apple cider vinegar rinse. If your hair feels heavy, lifeless, or producty, or maybe you're struggling with serious dandruff, Roses, this is what will solve all your hair problems. Mix apple cider vinegar with water and pour it through your hair after shampooing. Let it sit for a minute, then rinse it out. This will remove all the gunk from hard water and hair products. Your hair will become bouncy and shiny. Number 16. Simple hair mask. If your hair is always dry and thirsty, let's make a 5-star treatment that'll transform it. Add your conditioner into a cup, add honey, olive oil, and coconut oil, then mix properly before applying it on your hair. But if you don't want to use your conditioner, use a ripe banana instead. The banana adds softness and shine to your hair. Leave it on for 15 minutes before washing off. Number 17. The scalp massage. Roses, your hair grows from your scalp, so let's treat it right. Every night or while you shampoo your hair, use your fingers, not nails, to massage your scalp in little circles for 3 to 5 minutes. This is like a workout for your scalp. It increases blood flow, which brings more nutrients to your hair follicles, encouraging healthier, stronger, and faster hair growth. Plus, it's insanely relaxing. Part 4. Face workouts. Now Roses, it's time to wake your face up. These exercises will boost blood circulation, which gives you that slim face glow. Number 18. The fish face. Suck in your cheeks like a fish, hold for 30 seconds, and release. Now massage your jaw gently upwards with your knuckles 30 times on each cheek. And lastly, do both of them together. Feel that burn. It means it's working. Number 19. Eyebrow lift. If you want an attractive, naturally lifted brows, then you need to do this every day. Place your index or middle fingers above your eyebrow and under your eye. Now gently blink for 30 seconds. You should feel your eye muscles working. This will help lift your brows and open up your eyes. Number 20. Neck and jaw toner. If you want a more defined jawline and neck, this one is for you. Tuck your head backwards, then tilt your head all the way back and look up. Pull your head back in and push it forward. Do this 10 times every day to release any neck hump and firm your jaw. Number 21. Your posture fix. Now for your posture fix, roses. Because slouching makes you look smaller and unsure. But standing tall instantly makes you look more confident. Hold your hands behind your back and stretch out your chest for 5 seconds. Do this 6 times every morning and night. This will help fix your posture fast. Number 22. Spoon Gua Sha. Grab a regular tablespoon from your kitchen. Make sure to wash your hands and the spoon first. Apply oil on your face and move from your chin to your ear gently. Then from the corners of your mouth to the top of your ear. From your nose, under the eye to the temples, around your eyebrows. And lastly, from your forehead up towards your hairline. Do 5 strokes in each area and try to be gentle with it. This reduces puffiness, especially in the morning, and makes your face look sculpted instantly. Number 23. Nose glow up. People can change their nose, it's true. If your nose is puffy or just not something you fancy, it's time to start nose taping. Any tape will do. Apply small pieces of tape all around your nose to the desired shape you want, every night before bed. And please do not tape your nose shut. You need to breathe, so do it safely. This will help to slim down and sharpen your nose over time. Number 24. Face tapping. Finally, it's time to gently tap all over your face to boost blood flow and awaken your skin. This also helps your products absorb better. Tap for about 60 seconds every day. It's like a wake-up call for every single cell. Part 5. Beauty hacks. Now for some quick beauty hacks you didn't know you need. Number 25. Instant face blush. Okay, roses, if you need that pink blush on your cheek and you don't have makeup, wash your hands and gently pinch the top of your cheeks for 30 seconds. Release and watch the natural pink come rushing in. Number 26. Quick pimple fix. If a pimple pop up on your face, don't touch it. Instead, hold an ice cube on it for 1 to 2 minutes. The ice reduces inflammation, redness, and swelling almost instantly. It calms everything down and can even make it look significantly smaller and less noticeable. Number 27. Style your edges. This is for those flyaways and baby hairs that have a mind of their own. Take an old toothbrush and brush your baby hairs out. Next, apply a bit of gel or water on it, then style it in a swooped shape or however you like. Number 28. Drink your water. Roses, this one is non-negotiable. Think of your body like a beautiful houseplant. What happens when you forget to water it? It gets droopy, dull, and dry. Our skin is the same. No amount of moisturizer on the outside can fix dehydration on the inside. So here's the fix. Immediately you wake up, before anything else, drink a glass of warm water. It'll help replenish what you lost overnight. And take a bottle with you everywhere during the day and drink. Number 29. Exercise daily. Roses, just walking every day, maybe for 20 or 30 minutes outside, is a game changer for your skin. It clears your head and reduces stress. And also do a 2-minute daily plank. You can break it into chunks, like 4 sets of 30 seconds. Planks strengthen your entire core. And a strong core means you naturally stand taller, your posture improves, and you instantly look more confident and slimmer. Number 30. Gratitude attitude. Now, roses, this is very important. Stress and negativity show on your face. So every morning and night, think and write down 1 or 2 things you're grateful for. Maybe it's your skincare success, finishing your daily task, or even for sunshine. A happy, grateful heart relaxes your face, softens your eyes, and gives you warmth. Number 31, the glow secret. Now, let me be honest with you. The real secret to glowing up is sleep. Just 7 to 8 hours of sleep will change you. If you can't sleep, put your phone down 30 minutes earlier tonight, and you'll sleep better, I promise. And there you have it, roses. Over 30 ways you can glow up without buying anything new. Remember, beauty is about feeling good in your own skin, and that doesn't have to cost a thing. So tell me, which hack are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. If you love this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more ways to feel amazing every single day.